delicious Malaysian Roti Canai recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Malaysia. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the diverse flavors of cuisines from around the world. Today, we're taking you to Malaysia to uncover the secrets of a beloved dish, Roti Canai. Prepare to be amazed by the buttery and flaky goodness of this Malaysian flatbread. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to show your support. Let's delve into the vibrant world of Malaysian cuisine. Quote, to make this mouthwatering Roti Canai, here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 3/4 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter, melted. Now, let's get started on this delightful Malaysian culinary adventure. Quote, Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, salt, and sugar. Mix well to ensure the ingredients are evenly incorporated. Step 2. Add the vegetable oil and warm water to the bowl. Mix the ingredients together until a soft dough forms. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Step 3. Cover the dough with a damp cloth or plastic wrap and let it rest for about 1 hour. This resting time allows the gluten to relax and makes the dough easier to work with. Step 4. After the dough has rested, divide it into smaller portions and shape them into balls. Take 1 ball of dough and generously coat it with melted ghee. Place it on a flat surface and use your fingertips to gently stretch the dough, working from the center towards the edges. The goal is to create thin, paper-thin layers. Step 5. Once the dough is stretched, it's time for the impressive flipping technique. Carefully lift the dough and slap it against your palm, allowing it to stretch and become even thinner. This flipping motion helps create the signature flaky layers in Roti Canai. Step 6. Heat a lightly greased skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. Carefully transfer the stretched dough to the hot surface and cook each side for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, our delectable Roti Canai, fresh from the griddle. The flaky layers and buttery flavor of this Malaysian flatbread are simply irresistible. If you enjoyed this delightful journey into Malaysian cuisine and want to explore more exotic recipes, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Your support means the world to us as we continue to bring you amazing recipes from around the globe. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy cooking and selamat makan. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more delicious recipes. Quote,